Ready to dive into the world of crypto with Newton in 2025? But are you wondering what coins you can even get your hands on? Navigating the ever-expanding crypto landscape can feel like trying to drink from a fire hose. One minute, a coin is the talk of the town, the next it's old news. And for Canadian investors, the challenge is even greater. We need to know which platforms are not only easy to use but also support the coins we're interested in. Today, we're cutting through the noise to give you the definitive guide to what coins are supported on Newton in 2025. Newton has carved out a name for itself as one of Canada's most user-friendly crypto exchanges, known for its low fees and simple interface. This has made it a go-to for many, from brand new investors to seasoned traders. But the real question is, what can you actually buy, sell, and trade on the platform in the current year? Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about the big picture. Newton's philosophy has always been about providing a curated, high-quality selection of cryptocurrencies. They're not trying to be a wild west of every single meme coin and obscure project. Instead, they focus on popular, liquid, and well-established assets, along with some promising newcomers that meet their strict criteria. This approach offers a sense of security and reliability, which is a huge plus for anyone building a long-term portfolio. So, let's start with the non-negotiables, the coins that are the foundation of any serious crypto portfolio. The kings of the crypto world, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are, of course, fully supported. Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, continues to be the digital gold standard, and Ethereum, with its smart contract capabilities and dominant position in the decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFT space, remains a cornerstone of the industry. Newton also supports stablecoins like USD Coin, USDC, which is crucial for those looking to store value without the volatility of the broader market. Now, let's move beyond the giants and into the ecosystem of popular altcoins. These are the projects that have established strong use cases and significant market cap. On Newton in 2025, you'll find a solid list that includes Solana. Known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees, Solana has continued to grow as a formidable competitor in the smart contract space. It's a favorite for developers building decentralized applications and for users who value efficiency. Cardano, this project, with its focus on a research-driven and peer-reviewed approach, continues to attract a strong community. Its smart contract capabilities and emphasis on sustainability make it a popular choice for investors looking for a more deliberate, long-term project. Ripple, XRP. A veteran in the crypto space, XRP is designed for fast, low-cost international payments and remittances. Its ongoing role in cross-border transactions and its deep-rooted partnerships make it a consistent presence on major exchanges. Dogecoin, yes, the original meme coin is still here and still a force to be reckoned with. Dogecoin's popularity, fueled by its vibrant community and celebrity endorsements, means it remains a top choice for those looking for a bit of fun and potential volatility in their portfolio. Stellar, similar to XRP, Stellar is a decentralized protocol for cross-border payments. It focuses on connecting financial institutions and providing a platform for issuing new assets, making it a key player in the financial technology space. Litecoin, created as a light version of Bitcoin, Litecoin is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency with faster transaction speeds and a different mining algorithm. It's often seen as a useful alternative for smaller transactions. This is just the beginning. Newton also provides support for a variety of other well-known cryptocurrencies that have carved out their own niches. Chainlink, as a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink is essential for connecting smart contracts to real-world data, making it a critical piece of infrastructure for the entire crypto ecosystem. Polygon, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, Polygon addresses some of Ethereum's scalability issues by offering faster and cheaper transactions. It's become a vital part of the DeFi and NFT world. Cosmos, known as the Internet of Blockchains, Cosmos aims to create an ecosystem of interoperable blockchains, allowing them to communicate and exchange data seamlessly. Algorand, a decentralized and open-source blockchain network, Algorand is built for a borderless economy, with a focus on fast, scalable, and secure transactions. Filecoin. This is a decentralized storage network that allows users to rent out unused hard drive space, creating a robust and efficient marketplace for data storage. Aptos, a newer Layer 1 blockchain. Aptos is designed to deliver a secure, scalable, and upgradable infrastructure for dApps, using the Move programming language. Sway, another high-performance blockchain platform. Sway focuses on scalability and security, providing an environment for a wide range of decentralized applications. Render Token. This is a decentralized GPU rendering network, connecting artists and studios with GPU power. Optimism. As a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, Optimism uses optimistic rollups to increase transaction throughput and reduce fees, all while maintaining the security of the Ethereum network. We've covered the big names and the well-established projects, but what about the newer, more speculative assets that have been making waves? Newton is not afraid to add promising new coins to its roster. One notable example is Bonk, a popular meme coin that has seen significant growth. This shows that while Newton is careful and deliberate, they are also responsive to market trends and the demand from their users. It's a smart balance that allows their platform to remain relevant and exciting. Beyond just the assets themselves, it's worth noting that Newton's platform is designed to make trading these coins as simple as possible. Their interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to see your portfolio, track market prices, and execute trades. They also offer features like limit orders, allowing you to set a price at which you want to buy or sell, which is a powerful tool for strategic investing. It's also important to remember that the world of crypto is constantly evolving. While this list is accurate for 2025, Newton is always evaluating new coins to add to its platform. They often announce new listings on their blog and social media, so it's a good idea to stay up to date. The key takeaway here is that Newton provides a solid, diversified selection that caters to a wide range of investors, from those who want to stick with the blue chips to those who want to dip their toes into the altcoin market. So, whether you're a crypto veteran or just starting your journey, Newton in 2025 offers a robust and reliable platform to trade a diverse range of assets. Their focus on security, user experience, and a quality over quantity coin selection makes them a strong choice for any Canadian investor. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.